So in this video, we're going to be working on assembling a refrigerator cabinet with a left side panel. So the first thing we're going to be doing is building the actual cabinet before we install the panel on the side. So we're going to start by taking our package of hinges. Again, we're going to be using our Bloom soft close hinges. And we're just going to take out the adapters for those and install them ahead of time. So on these adapters, you'll see there's a little arrow. You want to point that towards the face of the cabinet. And on each of the sides, there's going to be a location with two holes that line up to these. And you're just going to press them in for now. And then they just use a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're just going to screw these screws down. Okay. So once you have those screwed down, then what we're going to do is we're going to install either the top or the bottom. In this case, we'll start with the top. And we're going to put some glue in these larger holes, which we will then use, insert the dowels into those. All right. So we're going to orient this. It can only line up one way, but you want to make sure that you have your groove on this panel also lining up with the side panel. So then we're going to do the same thing over here. We'll grab our other side panel and we will lay that in here. Okay, so you just want to make sure that's nice and snug. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some glue in this groove and we are going to place in our back panel. Okay. And when you grab your back panel, make sure you choose the side that is finished. And then we're going to rest this in the slot here. Up and get it to go down in here. Like so. Okay. And then just give it a little tap, make sure it's lined up right. Okay, and then the next step is for us to put some glue in our other side panel, and also we're going to put a little bit of glue in the route for the panel. Okay, and then we'll get this lined up, lay this on top. Okay. And that should line up. Just make sure you give it one look and make sure that all the corners and stuff are down and everything's tight. And the next step is for us to find the pilot holes that are pre-drilled. We're going to get the 2-inch screws out that come with this, and we're going to install them on this side. We'll flip it over and then install them on the other side. All right, so we oriented the cabinet on its face. What we're going to start working on now is putting in the cleats. You'll have 2 of these for this cabinet. You'll see that there's pre-drilled areas on the sides and then also for the top. So what you're going to do is have them oriented in the fashion that you can drill this way or screw this way into the cabinet itself. And you'll do that on the top and the bottom. So to do this, you're going to be using the pocket screws, which have a rounded head on those. That's what should be in your package. And now we're going to work on putting our finished side panel on. So what we're going to have to do here is we're going to rotate this cabinet and we're going to lay it on top of this. And what we want to do is we want to line up the back of the cabinet with one of the edges of the back of the panel. So we're going to do this. Okay, so you want to get the back of this lined up. All right, so then I'm going to take this slab filler, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of line that up. I'm going to use that as a guide to center my cabinet box on to the side panel. Okay. Just like that. Check that one more time. Okay. And now I'm going to have to pre-drill 4 holes, and then I'm going to be installing some screws in to mount the cabinet to the side panel. So just like that, put a couple screws in there and get that mounted tight. Just look around, make sure that everything is tight against. So it looks good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this around and we're going to put our large panel on the left side. All right, so we went ahead and moved the large left side panel and laid that on the table. And then we are going to be installing or mounting the cabinet box to the panel. So again, we're going to put some pilot holes in and screw this cabinet box to the panel. Okay, and then we just want to make sure we check that the box did not move, which it doesn't look like it did, and then we'll go ahead and put in the next screw. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, so you just want to look around, make sure you have it screwed all the way down. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install these fillers. You're going to have one's going to go up top here, the other one's going to go on the bottom. So we're going to use some drawer front clamps that we have and just get that mounted up and held in place. All right, so we're going to slide this, lay this in between here. You want it to line up flush with the face. And we're going to place one of these on just to kind of help hold this in place for us. Okay. And then just use this to kind of get this straightened out. Flush with the face. And then you want to make sure you have an even space between the two side panels. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some pilot holes through here and then screw that together. Okay, get that on there. Make sure that nothing's moved. Now would be the time to adjust that. We just want to move this clamp down a little bit. Okay. And then we'll do one more down here. Okay. All right. So now that we have that top one on, we'll go ahead and we'll do the same thing for the bottom. Okay, so we got our bottom filler piece installed, and we just kind of shifted the cabinet a little bit so we can install the doors. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to be lining up the hinges with the adapter plates, and you rest them in there, and then just give them a little push and they'll snap together. Okay, just like that. And then we'll do the other door. Get those lined up, snap them in place, and shut your cabinet. And that concludes our refrigerator cabinet with the left side panel assembly video. I hope that helped you out, and tune in for some more Vesta assembly videos.